Hi everyone, welcome to our channel that is Regrob.com, and today in this video we are at Loharuka Green Enclave project, which is located in Rajarhat Kolkata. So friends, here you can see the exterior view of Green Enclave project. The left way leads towards the airport, and the right way leads towards Tina Park. Here you can see the view of project entrance. So now we are inside the project, as here you can see the main gate, the main entrance gate. This project offers 2 and 3 BHK residential apartments. It is sprawled over 0.58 acres of land and consists of 5 number of towers with 7 floors each. So here is the internal view of the society. Thanks for watching this video. For site visit and queries, you can call us at the number given in the description. And for more fresh real estate updates, you can subscribe to our channel.